Well, it's time to talk about LOWVELO 25.
This is a charity bike ride that benefits the MUSC Hollings Cancer Center.
Give you the opportunity to raise money for potentially life-saving research.
Really, it's about bringing together the community, and this thing is a giant rolling support group.
We're ringing bells today, so they get to ring their bells tomorrow. We want you guys to make a ton of noise for this thing as you ride.
What you're doing makes such a difference for this state, this region, and this community.
I ride LOWVELO as a way to remember my dad.
I want to make sure that I finish it for him.
The mission of LOWVELO is so important because not only does it create a community and support for families, but the underlying mission is to cure cancer, and it's working.
Think about all the things that you have done that have gotten you here. You have asked your friends for money. That is massive. You have trained.
You have to understand the importance of the money you raise today.